Hi friends! We go out of our hotel at night and decided to take a walk at the Newport World Resorts vicinity. I enjoyed watching the lights, and the place is safe. We inquired, and there's 24/7 security around the area. In front of our hotel is the Marriott Grand Ballroom, and it's a beautiful hotel, and tomorrow morning we will be exploring Marriott Hotel. It is nice to take a walk at night in this area. This place is not crowded, and there's no traffic. Now we reach this place, and I like this area here. There are several restaurants. This place is really beautiful.